Here's what you didn't know about DevOps. The word DevOps was coined as a result of the integration between the development team and the operations team. DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development, dev, and IT operations, ops, to shorten the system's development lifecycle while delivering features, fixes, and updates frequently. You see, the software development lifecycle can get very complicated. On one end, you have the software development team responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining the software application. On the other end, you have the IT operations team who are responsible for managing and maintaining the IT infrastructure and systems the software runs on. These include maintaining the servers and networks to ensure availability, reliability, and performance. Before the advent of DevOps, software development and IT operations were typically separate entities within organizations, often working in silos with limited communication and collaboration. This led to a slew of issues like slow release cycles where software updates and new features were released infrequently, communication barriers, manual processes, and more. DevOps essentially combines development and operations to increase efficiency. It creates a culture of collaboration between the development and the operations team, emphasizing automation, continuous integration, continuous delivery, and monitoring. A series of tools are used to achieve this. These tools include version control systems like Git, CI/CD tools like Jenkins, and container and orchestration systems like Docker and Kubernetes. In some companies, the software developer is given the tools and responsible for ensuring the DevOps practices, while other companies hire dedicated DevOps engineers to maintain and implement practices within their organization. Follow more courses for more programming content like this.